Hi, Julie Jarmolowski with the K Grant Group. We're back again at the Optima, and we have a gorgeous condo to show you. It's a little over 1,300 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath on the second floor. It's in the northwest corner of the Optima, so perfect location. Let's take a look at it. You have a lovely dining area here and a beautiful little deck outside. Great place for coffee or wine. And then your living area here is perfect. Look at all of this glass. So much light comes in. And of course, all of the windows here have blinds, which is perfect when you want a little bit of privacy. Let's go on back and look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. So before we do, I'm going to stop you so we can look at the washer and dryer. We have a full-size stacking washer and dryer here, and a little bit of storage along the side for necessities. This guest bedroom is perfect for a little office, for your guests to come and stay, whatever you'd like to turn it into. And come over here and take a look at this window area where you have a wonderful view. I would love to work every day looking out there. Just beautiful. Now let's go take a look at the master suite. Whoops, I forgot. We missed the bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. So you've got a shower, a tub, a single vanity, all beautifully appointed. And this is the master suite. There is a patio off the master suite where you can have your coffee, sit out with a glass of wine, or just read a book. Nice large master suite with 9-foot ceilings and a beautiful walk-in closet. Your master bathroom is here with a walk-in shower and double sink. Let's go take a look at the kitchen and see how it all works to come together. The kitchen area here is perfect for dining in, having people sit up at the bar, chat with you a little bit while you're cooking up whatever it is you do, and you being able to participate. Wouldn't you love to live here? This would be a perfect lock and leave, a great place for students to live. Maybe it would be a great place for me to live. I'm Julie Jarmolowski with the K Grant Group.